Hello, in this tutorial I will introduce you to the HVAC tab. I'll briefly review the different HVAC types, show you how to select different HVAC templates, and review the key data inputs in the HVAC tab. When you create a new model in Designbuilder, the simplest options will normally be selected by default. This enables you to set up massing and early stage models.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.